Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the candle closing time remaining indicator for MT4. This is a simple but powerful timing tool that shows exactly how much time is left before the current candle closes, helping you wait for confirmed signals instead of guessing. At this point I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. But allow the load imports. And there we have it if you look closely. Okay, I'm just going to change the color so it can stand out more. Okay, so I'm going to use a shade of blue, dark blue, and then I'll increase the font size as well so it's very clear. All right, so I'm sure it's very clear up here now at the top right corner. On MT4, the candle closing time remaining indicator displays a live countdown of the charts, usually in minutes and seconds, showing how long remains before the active candle closes. That's this candle over here. The timer automatically syncs with your broker's server time and resets at the open of each new candle, working the same way across all time frames and instruments. By watching the countdown, you can ensure you only act once a candle is fully formed, crucial for price action setups, indicator signals that confirm on close, and precise entries on fast markets. As for the indicator settings, I've already looked at this. Display settings let you choose the font size, like I did, color, like I also showed, and placement of the countdown text as well, so it's clearly visible without blocking important price information. Some versions also include optional alerts when a candle is close to closing, giving you a sound or visual cue to get ready without staring at the timer continuously. As for who is for and its limitations, the candle closing time remaining indicator is especially useful for scalpers, day traders, and price action traders who rely on candle close confirmation before entering or exiting trades. It is a timing aid only, does not execute trades, and does not generate buy or sell signals on its own. It simply removes the guesswork about when a candle closes so you can apply your strategy more precisely. You can download the candle closing time remaining indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. It gives you a clean on-chart countdown so you can avoid jumping in on half-formed candles and keep your execution aligned with fully confirmed price action. If you found this walkthrough helpful, remember to subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 indicator tutorials.